guys, so I have so many ripe banana, so I'm going to make something with this banana. So I'm going to do the oats and banana bread. So let's start. So mash gare मैले banana. So half cup milk add गर्ने. त्यसपछि half cup oil, cooking oil, and 2 anda. You can add some brown sugar as well, but right now I don't have brown sugar, so I'm using 1 cup of custard sugar. अनि यसलाई मजाले मिक्स गर्ने. त्यसपछि हामीले वेट इन्ग्रेडियन्ट्सहरु पनि. सो यो भइसकेपछि मैले बनाना पनि हाले यसमा. Steady, go! So I'm going to put in. For like, so when you're making the bread, you have to check before you take it out. I check it thoroughly. My one is not cooked yet, so I'm putting more. I'm going to bake it for more 5 to 10 minutes because it's not cooked under inside thoroughly. So I'm leaving it for more 5 to 10 minutes. It's looking so pretty. So it's ready. Now I can go for a walk with Sage, and it's a beautiful day outside. So I'm leaving it for it to cool down.